माननीय सदस्य माधव नैनी रघुनंदन जी।
Opportunity to speak in the 0 hour for first time in my mother tongue language, that is Telugu, madam. అధ్యక్ష, తొలిసారి మెదక్ పార్లమెంట్ సభ్యుని గెలిచి వచ్చిన నాకు 0 అవర్లో మొదటిసారి మాట్లాడే అవకాశం కల్పించినందుకు మీకు ధన్యవాదాలు. నేను ప్రస్తుతం ప్రాతినిధ్యం వహిస్తున్నటువంటి మెదక్ పార్లమెంట్ నియోజకవర్గం నుంచి గతంలో ఈ దేశ ప్రధానిగా ఉన్నటువంటి శ్రీమతి ఇందిరాగాంధీ గారు, కేసీఆర్ గారు కూడా ఈ నియోజకవర్గం నుంచి ప్రాతినిధ్యం వహించారు. ద కాన్స్టిట్యున్సీ విచ్ ఐఎమ్ రిప్రజెంటింగ్ ఇస్ మెదక్ పార్లమెంట్. ఎర్లియర్ Honorable the then Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi and Telangana Chief Minister KCR also represented the same constituency. But unfortunately, when Srimati Indira Gandhi ji was contesting in the year 1980, she promised a railway line from Tellapur, Patancheru, Sangareddy, Jogipet, Medak, Ramayampet, Siddipet to Karimnagar. A railway line of 225 kilometers was promised in the year 1980, madam. Since then, for the past 44 years, 44 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి మేడం, just 9 kilometers of railway line has been formed from Tellapur to Patancheru, madam. After running the train for a period of 3 months, railway department लोग बोला ये आमदनी नहीं आ रहा, इसके वजह से बोल के वो भी रेल रुक दिया मैडम. पटांचर में जो रेलवे लाइन कंस्ट्रक्शन हुआ था वो भी तोड़ दिया, अभी रेल बंद हो गई मैडम. It is a long demand, madam. Telangana, when it was formed only with 10 districts. Now there are 33 districts in Telangana state. Only one district headquarter, that is Sangareddy, is not having the railway station. Rest of the 32 districts are connected with the railway lines, madam. So one of the constituency, assembly constituency by name Patancheru, which is one of the Asia's biggest industrial area, is in my parliament constituency, madam. Almost 1500 industries from different areas of the country are being located in Patancheru assembly constituency. So my sincere appeal through you to the Honorable Minister is, as there is a demand and a survey has been completed in the year 1980 itself, I urge the Honorable Minister to kindly look into this matter of 225 kilometers of railway line from Tellapur, Patancheru, Sangareddy, Jogipet, Medak to Siddipet and Karimnagar, madam. As this is a largely developed and industrial area, there is a large demand of the people for this new railway stations which connects almost 7 districts of Telangana, madam. Thank you, madam. Thank you for giving me an opportunity.
जी, मैं आपका मेरी तरफ से और मंडी की जनता की तरफ से हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ, आभार करती हूँ कि आपने आज पहली बार मुझे इस सभा में बोलने का, मंडी क्षेत्र के विषय में बोलने का मौका दिया. महोदय, हमारे मंडी क्षेत्र में ऐसी बहुत सारी कला शैलियाँ हैं जो विलुप्त हो रही हैं. हमारे हिमाचल प्रदेश में जो एक घर बनाने की कला शैली है जिसे काटकुनी कहा जाता है, वहाँ भेड़ और याक की ऊनों से जो है विभिन्न वस्त्र बनाए जाते हैं, जैसे कि जैकेट्स हो गए या टोपियाँ हो गई, शॉल या स्वेटर्स बनाने के जो काम है, जिनका बाहर के देशों में बहुत मूल्य मिलता है, लेकिन हमारे यहाँ पे पूरी तरह से जो है ये जो एक्सटिंक्ट हो रहे हैं उनको बढ़ावा देने के लिए क्या कदम लिए जा रहे हैं. और साथ ही मैं ये भी कहना चाहूँगी कि हमारे हिमाचल का जो संगीत है, खासकर जो स्पीति और किन्नौर या भरमौर के क्षेत्र में पाए जाने वाला जो ट्राइबल उनकी जो कपड़े हो गए, उसके साथ में जो उनके फोक फॉर्म्स है, आर्ट फॉर्म्स है, वो भी विलुप्त होती जा रही हैं. तो उनके विषय में क्या कदम उठाए जा रहे हैं? धन्यवाद.
Prolonged issue of insufficient recruitment for the faculty from other backward classes and the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribe in the central institutes of higher education despite mandated reservation remains. The government data revealed a persistent and sustainable gap in faculty position within the reserved categories. In 2021, 6,074 faculty positions remained vacant across 42 government-run universities, with 75 falling under the reserved categories. Recent parliamentary data on August 1st, 2023, revealed that only 4% of professors recruited belongs to OBC category. The data for an RTI reply in 2023 also exposed faculty shortage in SC, ST and OBC category in several departments of IIT Delhi, with 14 departments having no faculty from SC or ST and 24 departments lacking any SC faculty and 15 departments lacking any ST faculty and 9 departments have no faculty from OBC. The central universities including IITs mandated to follow reservation policies allotting 15% SCs, 7.5% STs and 27% to OBC in the faculty appointments and admissions. Display a clear mismatch between government equally goals and actual recruitment outcomes. I urge the government to take immediate corrective actions and initiatives like intensified special recruitment drives and rigorous implementation, monitoring and forward-looking measures such as government-sponsored preparatory programs for the aspiring faculties are essential. Thank you.